Now today we are going to start set theory, the first chapter of the plus one class set theory. Now first of all, let us discuss what do you mean by set. A set is a well-defined collection of the distinct objects. Now here, well-defined mean there is no doubt, absolutely defined collection of the distinct object. Now distinct mean the repetition in a set is not allowed. Repetition of the element in a set is not allowed. Now set are usually denoted by the capital letter of English alphabet. The collection of the distinct object are closed in a curly bracket. For example, the set of the natural number is denoted by capital N. Now capital N is equal to, the collection is 1, 2, 3 up to so on, and we put these elements within the bracket. Then elements or member of a set. The object belonging to the set are called elements or members of the set. Now here 1 is the object of the natural number, 2 is the object of the natural number, 3 is the object of the natural number, or 3 is the element of the natural number. The object belonging to the set are called element or member of the set. Now example, the set of the vowels A, E, I, O, U, these are the set of the English vowels of the English alphabets. Now here these elements are members of the vowels or simply elements of the set V. Now no element is repeated in a set. This is a very important point. The repetition in a set is not allowed. Now some standard sets. Now first is set of all natural number, that is set of all positive integer is represented by, denoted by n or z positive. B, the set of all integer is denoted by z or the letter I. So z or letter I is 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on. Then the set of the whole number is denoted by letter W. So W is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now after this, the set of all the rational number is denoted by the letter Q. So Q is a set of the number of the form P over Q, where P and Q are the co-prime integer. Here co-prime mean those integer whose HCF is 1. Numerator is integer, denominator is integer. Between P and Q there is no common factor. So that is their HCF is 1 and we called it co-prime integer. The set of all irrational number is denoted by QC or the letter S. So it is a root 2, root 3, root 5, pi number or exponential number. These number are the non-terminating, non-repeating decimal number and we called the irrational number. And set of irrational number is represented by the letter S or Q, complement of Q. QC, we called it complement of Q. The set of all real number is denoted by capital R. So capital R is a collection of all the rational and irrational number. जिस सेट में बेटा रैशनल नंबर भी आ जाए, irrational नंबर भी आ जाए, we called that set is a real number set. Then representation of the set. There are two ways to represent a set. Number one, the tabular form or roster form. Number two, set builder form or property form or rule form. Now, in the first tabular form of a set, the element of the set are listed and separated by comma within the curly bracket. For example, the set of the odd positive integers less than 10 can be described as 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now these are the elements which are the positive odd integer less than 10. And in tabular form we write each and every element by putting the comma among them. And the second is set of the vowels can be described as A, I, E, O, U. We write each and every vowel in the bracket to represent the set in the tabular form. Now, the order in which the element of the set are written does not matter. We can write the set 1, 2, 3, or we can write 2, 3, 1, or we can write 3, 2, 1. All these three are same set, represent the same set. Now, in the second, the set builder form, a variable x which stands for each element of a set is written first and within the bracket or under the bracket. Then after giving a column or vertical line, then property or properties of each element of the set is mentioned within the bracket itself. For example, the set A, which is consists with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, can be written as A set is equal to x element. X is the general element, represent each and every element, and x is a natural number, belong to the natural number, and this symbol is belongs, that is the member of natural number, and this x is less than equal to 5. Now there are two properties. These numbers are the natural number and these numbers are less than equal to 5. We mention here properties and the general element x. Now secondly, the set B of all even natural number can be written as B is equal to x such that this is written as such that x is equal to 2 times n, because even number are multiple of 2 times n, where n belongs to natural number. अगर n 1 होगा तो x बन जाएगा 2, अगर n 2 होगा तो x बन जाएगा 4, if n is a 3 तो x becomes 6. So these are the even natural number. The third example is set C is A, E, I, O, U can be written as in a property form C is equal to x such that x is a vowel of English alphabet. Now after this, examples of not well defined collections and hence not a set. Number 1, the collection of the bright student in a class plus 1 of a school is not a set, as the term bright is not well defined. It is not absolutely defined. The collection of the beautiful girls of the world is not a set, as the term beautiful is not well defined. The third one is the collection of all rich person in India is not a set, as the term rich is not well defined. So only well defined collection is a set and other collection are simply the collection group of elements and not a set. Set are those which are well defined and distinct object. Now notation. Sets are usually denoted by the capital letters A, B, C and so on, and their element are denoted by the small letters small a, small b or small c and so on. Now let capital A be any set and small a be its member, then we write A belongs to capital A. Element A belongs to the set A and read as A belongs to A, or A is an element of A. If A is not an element of the set A, then we write A does not belong. This symbol means does not belong to, read as does not belong to the set A, or A is not an element of the set A. Now let us discuss the exercise 1.1 of the first chapter. Here the first question is, which of the following are the set? Justify your answer. Number 1, the collection of all the month of a year beginning with the letter J. It is a well defined. With the letter J, January is starting with the letter J, June is started with the letter J, July is started with the letter J. It is very much clear. So therefore this collection of the month of the year beginning with the letter J is well defined, so it is a set. The second part, the collection of the 10 most talented writer of India. Now here, the word talented is not well defined. It is not well defined. There is no such instrument by which we can define the talent. So the word talented is not well defined. So this collection of 10 most talented writer of India is not a set. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of a world. Now here, best cricket batsman. Who is best from whom we cannot decide. It is not well defined. So therefore, this third part is also not represent a set. Now, the collection of all the boys in your class. It is very much clear. In your class, we have to look at the boys, and this collection of the boys is a set. It is a well defined collection. Then the collection of all the natural number less than 100. Less than 100 mean we have to write the number up to 99, starting from the 1, 2, 3 up to 99. So this collection is a well defined. So this is a set. The sixth part is the collection of the novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. It is also well defined. The few novels are written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Finite number of novels are written. So therefore, this collection is also represented set. The seventh part is the collection of all the even integers. The even integers are infinite, but it is defined. Those integers which are divisible by the number 2 are even integers. For example, 0, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, and so on. All such are even integers. So this collection is a set. Then after this, the collection of questions in this chapter. Now in this chapter, the questions are well defined. It is very much clear which question belongs to this chapter or which question does not belong to this chapter. So this collection is a set. The ninth part, the collection of most talented, most dangerous animal of the world. Now it is illogical which animal is dangerous or which is not dangerous. We cannot decide. So this collection is not a set. Now the second question. Now there is a set A which consists with the 6 element, 6 natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. We have to insert the appropriate symbol. This symbol is a belongs or this is a does not belong in the blank space. Now, can you tell me 5 belongs or does not belong to the set A? Tell me. 5 belongs or does not belong to the set A. Now here 5 belongs to the set A. We put this symbol belongs. And what about the 8? 8 does not belong to the set A. 5 belongs to the set A and 8 does not belong to the set A. And third one is 0. 0 does not belong to the set A. In this way, you can attempt the other parts of the second question. Now, in the third question, write the following set in the roster form. The first part is A is a set of x element such that x is an integer, and second property is minus 3 less than x less than. Now the third question is the set A is equal to x such that x is an integer, and second property is minus 3 less than x less than 7. We have to express this in the roster form. It can be written as those integer which are more than minus 3 and less than 7. We have to consider those integers. Now we have minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the integers which lies between minus 3 and 7. It is not equal to minus 3, it is not equal to 7, but in between. So this is the roster form of the third question. Now second part is a set B is equal to x, element x, such that x is a natural number less than 6. Now in this case we have to write all those natural number which are less than x. Now we can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 natural number which are less than 6, and the given form is a property form or set builder form, and we write it as in the roster form. Now in the third part there is a set C which is equal to the element x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Now there are two properties. Number one, it is a 2-digit number, 2-digit natural number, or second is the sum of the digit is 8. Now we have to write in a roster form. Now 2-digit natural number whose sum is 8. The first one is 17. It is a 2-digit number and sum of the digit is 8. The second is 26. Its sum of the digit is also 8. The third one is a 35. The fourth one is a 44. The next is a 53. The next is a 62. And then there is a 71. And last is 80. Now these are the 2-digit natural number whose sum is 8. Now in the fourth part we have to write the set D in the roster form. The given set D is a set of x elements such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. अब हमें 60 के डिवाइजर लिखने हैं और वो भी प्राइम डिवाइजर. The first prime number is 2 and you know that 2 divides 60. The first element is 2. The second prime number is 3. We know that 3 also divides 60. So we write here 3 divisor, 3 as a divisor. The third prime number is 5. 5 also divides 60. So we write 5 as a prime divisor of 60. The next prime number is 7. It is not a divisor of 60. We can't write. After 7, the prime number is 11. It is again not a divisor of 60. Then prime number is the 13. It is not a divisor of 60. 7 is not a divisor of 60. So only 3 divisor of 60 are prime divisor of 60 are 2, 3 and 5. So in the fourth part we have to write the set of 3 elements 2, 3 and 5. Now in the fifth part there is a set E. It is a set of all the letters in the word trigonometry. Now we have to write the letter by putting the commas among them. The first letter is T, the second letter is R, the third letter is I, then there is a G, then O, then N. Again there is a O. We can't write it a second time because in a set repetition is not allowed. Then after this O there is a M, then E, T already we written, R already we written, then last Y. So these are the elements, set of the elements of the word trigonometry. Here those letters which are repeated we can't write again, and only we write the letter once a time. Now similarly the sixth part, which is the set F. which is equal to the set of all the letter in the word batter. Now it can be written as first B letter, then E, then T. Again we can't write E also already written, then we write the letter R, because in a set the repetition of the elements are not repeated. It is not allowed. Now this is a question number, complete question. In the question number 4, write the following set in the set builder form. Now we are given by the roster form. Now let A be the given set. A is equal to set of 3, 6, 9 and 12. Now we observe that the elements are the multiple of 3, or it is moreover first 4 multiple of 3. So we can write it as x such that x is a multiple of 3, not more than 12, not more than 12, mean it is 12 or less than 12. So this is the roster form or property form of the first part. In the second part we are given the collection of element 2, 8, 16, 32. Let it is a set B. B set is equal to 2, 8, 16, 32. Now here the first element is 2, second element is 8. What is the relation? Third element is 16, fourth element is 32. We can write these elements as 2 or 8. What is the relation? What is it multiply with the power? जैसे 8 का, now see the given set is 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now let we represent the set B. The second element is double the first, third element is double the second, fourth element is double the third, fifth element is double the fourth. So we can write it as 2, then 2 raised to the power 2, 4 can be written as, 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3, and then 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4, 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power 5. Now it can be written in the roster set builder form as it is a element x such that x is equal to 2 raised to the power n, where n may be 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, but not more than 5. So therefore where n is a natural number less than 6. Now the given form was the roster form, and we convert it into the set builder form or property form. Now third part, let C be the given set of the 4 element 5, 25, 125 and 625. It can be written as 5, 5 raised to the power 2, 5 raised to the power 3, 5 raised to the power 4. So it is equal to the element x such that x is equal to 5 raised to the power n, where n is a natural number less than 5. Now similarly you can attempt the other part of the fourth question. Now next question is question number 5. List all the element of the following set. The first one is set A. It is a x element such that x is an odd natural number. We have to write the element in the all the element in this set. That is, we have to write the roster form. The first is 1, the second is 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These are the odd natural number, infinite odd natural number. The next part is the set B, which is equal to the set of x element where x is an integer, and second property is minus half less than x less than 9 by 2. Now we have to write all the elements of this set, that is we have to write in the roster form. The integer more than minus half is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. After 4 there is a 5 which is more than 9 by 2. So we can't write the integer 5. Only the 5 integers are in this set 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now third part is the set C, which is equal to x element such that x is an integer, and second property x square of the integer is less than or equal to 4. Now we can write it as in the simplified form x such that x is an integer, and we can write x square less than equal to 4 can be written as x mod less than equal to 2. Taking the square root we get x mod. Now it can be further written as, now those integer whose magnitude is less than equal to 2 are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the 5 integers whose magnitude is less than or equal to 2, whose square is less than or equal to 4. In the fourth part, the set D, which is equal to the set of x elements such that x is a letter in the word loyal. Now here we can write it as L is the first letter, then O is the second letter, Y is the third letter, A is the fourth letter, and then there is a repeated letter L. We can't write it L again because in a set the repetition is not allowed. Now next question is part is fifth part. E is the set of the x element such that x is a month of a year not having 31 days. The first one is a January having 31 days. We can't write. Then second we write February. Then March we cannot write. It contains 31 days. Then we write the April. May we can't write. Then we write the June. July, August we can't write. Then we write the September. October we cannot write. Then we write the November, and December is also of 31 days. We can't write. So these are the 5 months in which the number of days are less than 31: February, April, June, September and November. In the sixth part of this question, the set F, it is a element x such that x is a consonant, that is not a vowel, in the English alphabet which precedes K. Now the first letter is A, it is a vowel, we can't write. We write B, C, D. E we can't write because it is a vowel. Then we write F, G, H. I we cannot write because it is a vowel. Then we write G. So before K we have to write these consonants. Now in the next question we have match each of the set on the left side, left in the roster form, with the same set on the right described in the set builder form. Now the first part 1, 2, 3, 6, second part is 2, 3, third part is M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S, and fourth one is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. On the right hand side there is a set x such that x is a prime and divisor of 6. Now x is a prime and a divisor of 6. So prime divisor of 6 are, the first prime number is 2, it divides 6. The second prime number is 3, it also divides 6. There is no other prime number which divide 6. Only two prime number which divide 6. So therefore a part can match with the second one. A part can match with the second one. Now then B, it is a set x such that x is an odd natural number and less than 10. Now odd natural number less than 10 कौन कौन से होंगे बेटा? It is a 1, 3, 5. For example, see the fourth 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So it means B match with the fourth part. And then C, it is a set x. X is a natural number. X is a natural number and a divisor of 6. नेचुरल नंबर एंड डिवाइजर ऑफ 6. पहले पार्ट में था प्राइम एंड डिवाइजर ऑफ 6. अब क्या है? नेचुरल नंबर डिवाइजर ऑफ 6. द फर्स्ट नेचुरल नंबर इज 1. 1 इज आल्सो ए डिवाइजर ऑफ 6. सेकंड इज 2. इट इज ए डिवाइजर ऑफ 6. 3 is also a divisor of 6 and 6 itself is a divisor of 6. It is a first part. So the C match 1 with the first set. And then in the D, X such that X is a letter of the word mathematics. So here we have to write those letters which occur once a time. Now we write M, we write A, T, H, E, then there is a again M. M again cannot write, again already written. Then we write T already written, then we write I, then C and S. So it means the D part match with the third one. Now our answer is A part. The first part match with the C and second part match with the A and the third part match with the D and the fourth part match with the B. Now is it clear, students? So this complete the exercise 1.1. Students, complete your copy in all respects, theoretical as well as practical. In all respects, write each and every, solve each and every question of the exercise first.